Did you know that one city had the most incredible impact on the entire world? Welcome to Manchester. In 1750, this city was a quiet backwater with a population of just 20,000 people. But by 1850, it was home to over 600,000 people and was the most important city in the world, which provided a cheap and efficient way of powering machines. The first successful steam engine was built by Thomas Newcomen in 1712. But it wasn't until James Watt came along that the potential of the steam engine was realized. Watt improved the steam engine so much that it became the powerhouse of the Industrial Revolution. You see, Manchester was at the heart of the Industrial Revolution, a global transformation that began in Britain and spread across the world. There was very little government regulation and competition was fierce. But the biggest problem was child labor. Children as young as 5 years old were employed in factories and were paid less than half of what an adult would earn. It started with the invention of the steam engine. Life was still better for many people during the Industrial Revolution. For the first time in history, there was a growing middle class, and people were generally wealthier. However, this prosperity only reached those who owned the factories and the goods that they produced. For the majority of people, life was still hard. With the help of the steam engine, factories were able to produce goods on a mass scale for the first time. And this led to the growth of cities like Manchester. In 1700, Britain was a predominantly rural country with only 2 cities of any significant size. But by 1850, there were 25 cities with over 100,000 people. It led to massive amounts of wealth being created and new technologies being developed. But it also led to poverty, inequality, and terrible working conditions. Of course, this rapid industrialization didn't come without its problems. The factories were dangerous, unhealthy places to work. But despite these problems, as we'll see in the next episode, the Industrial Revolution changed the world forever. If you want to find out more about the Industrial Revolution, click on the link below. Thanks for watching.